Father Agnello Gomes, Director of Padri Cossason Engineering College. Father, could you brief us on this summit?
Well, I'm Father Agnello Gomes. I'm Director of PC, Padre Cossason College of Engineering. I'm also Director of the campus here in Verna, Agnel Ashram, which has about 15 different institutions. We have Polytechnic, Catering College, school, high secondary, many, about 15 institutions. And Padre Cossason also is one of our institutions. And today at Padre Cossason College of Engineering, we are having a geospatial summit. It's basically conference, two-day conference, because two colleges have come together, hosting these colleges. So it's in collaboration with two colleges, St. Joseph Vaz College, Kortaling, and Padre Costa College of Engineering here in Verna. Now, St. Joseph's College's botany department actually is involved in this, and our college, PCC College, electronics department is involved in this. And basically, these two departments are coming together to talk about geospatial issues related to remote sensing. How can we sense environmental issues and hazardous issues and maybe disasters, and that has a combination of science and technology. So when the two colleges come, a general science college comes and joins hands with an engineering college, then of course we can come up with how do we work on remote sensing. And that's basically this today's seminar is about. So we have in this today's seminar a lot of experts who have come, even some from ISRO and from different parts of India. And so it's a national seminar. And participants also, I'm not sure, I think there are out of Goa also people participating, but mostly Goans and it's a lot of people from around. So that's it.
Father, how would you rate now with both these colleges coming together, Padri Cossason as well as St. Joseph Vaz? How would it shape out the future for these bright students of both these institutions?
What happens is generally engineering colleges, they have their own things going on. And I think the general sciences colleges, or they call them the, BA or BCom, they work in their own, they're like a frog in their own well. I think it's time for us to bring all the sciences together, engineering, general sciences, even medicine, coming together and finding solution to world problems, to problems that are right now, in our own state or even in our backyard. There are so many issues that can tackle using technology. And so we come in play when it comes to the usage of technology. So recently our students from PCC developed an app for the Goa police. It's called Easy Pass, or sorry, Quick Pass app. Basically, helping the traffic police to be able to, easily allow people to travel in Goa. There's something more details to that, but basically that's what it is. So it helps them with the organizing of the traffic, and it was, inaugurated or unveiled by the CM at the crime branch cell in Ribandar area. So we are trying to join hands with the government, with the police. In this case, we can join hands with another college and solve local problems. Thank you.